Yeah. Hi. So we are STRUCTUBE. STRUCTUBE did not pay me to do the pleasure for them. STRUCTUBE does to me. So you can do one.
Oh, that's nice.
So you can do one. If a taller person was there, you can do three. Oh my gosh, it actually goes all the way. So you know how when you're working and you get tired and you have to stand for your back? This is perfect.
How much is it? Is this it? $50?
If I hear. $50 for desktop.
Is this not desktop?
Desktop.
Lift top desktop, Abby?
So I guess this is $50. Then the table,
This thing
is $4.99.
for 500 or more.
Honestly, before it would have been $5.99 and everything would be included, but I guess in their way to scam you.
This is cute though. I like it.
This one can go up and down too. I kind of like this one better because it's even compact. It's compact and then it's not making noise.
Is that a TV stand?
Which one?
This brown one, yeah. Or that's a bar.
It's not TV stand.
No.
$39 for me. Some balls.
Sit down, executive madam. Michelle. See,
What about person? It's coming for one.
acting MD slash CEO Food Bank Canada.
Okay. Okay.
Active MD. God no go shame us so. Active MD Food Bank Canada. Oh God.
How do you get off this thing? Like I'm actually see there.
What should we do? Should we go to another? I don't think so. What if someone buys that college for free?
Let's even go and check if it's available.
Same price as the couch.
What do you think about it? It would, because your house is kind of that color. Let's go beside. It's a nice chair though.
If they don't have that one. But wait, is it as big as that one?
The one in Chaga's house.
No, the one, there's one I sent.
Do we see that one here?
No, I don't see it on store.
I kind of like this one. Like, if a visitor was to come, 3 people can sit here. 4, 5, 6.
And this rug too is nice.
I know. And STRUCTUBE rugs are not that expensive. They're like $89.
So yeah, are you buying everything?
Let's buy everything. It looks like it though.
With the table too?
Yeah, I said he likes the table, so I should send it to him. The carpet. Which table?
Reshe modela. STRUCTUBE modela. Mado.
You should color your house green as well.
Paint the house as downstairs.
You can? I didn't know that.
It's a couch.
The mirror is just class. I'm not joking.
I know, right?
How much is the mirror?
Sit down, feel the couch.
It's very soft.
Oh,
It's actually a soft.
yeah. This is the couch that you like to sleep.
The mirror is cheap, $150.
That's a pretty nice bed. And yellow, of course.
We ended up going with the brown / ginger couch, and it cost $999, which is approximately $1,000. It took about 2 weeks to get delivered to my friend's house at no extra cost, but due to COVID restrictions, we had to assemble the couch ourselves. Other furniture stores will be listed in the description box below.
This is right facing. So So when you enter your house, you are coming from the kitchen. Right? You are coming this way from the kitchen. You put it on the left. This is the bathroom. This is the right.
That guy is doing magic.
He's visualizing.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think about that concept? But it's like there's like closing up the space, it's not like opening the space, welcoming